This is Wesley with Expandacraft, and that's Margaret. Say hi, Margaret.
Hi, Margaret.
No, Margaret, say hi.
Hi.
Oh, there you go. This is an interesting little setup. Go ahead and motor up. Since you're doing less than half throttle here, I'm on the pedal-powered kayak with electric and the sailboat. And this one's top speed is about 6 miles an hour, I found out yesterday. And this is the Torquito electric motor. It's on the back. You can actually spin the seat around and cut the power to the motor, lift it up so that you can de-weed the motor. It has a little apparatus that lets it fold up that way. You can paddle this because the aft cross tube is far enough back to allow a good paddle stroke, so she could augment if she felt like it going forward, just kind of latch down the power. But that battery will take you quite a long ways. It's a lithium-ion battery, as opposed to this boat that I'm on with the pedals. I'm going electrically right now, and I've got my bimini top up. The sail is down because we're going dead against the wind and against the current. This current runs about 3 miles an hour, and we're moving pretty well against the land, so I would assume we're doing about 4.5 or better, and neither of us are full throttle. The half throttle? Go ahead and do a full throttle blast just to see what it does against mine. Yeah, it starts to move out away from me. Now, full throttle on an electric motor will take you a little bit faster, but it chews up a lot more energy to go a little bit faster. So if you're just not in a crazy hurry, I mean, we did use full throttle to get through a tight place where the tide was moving real fast. But if you just do like I'm doing, I'm having a little bit of motor and I'm pedaling, I can go for hours and hours and hours, miles and miles. I have over 12 miles on this lead acid battery. It's a 105 amp hour battery and a 55 pound thrust motor. Well, anyway, that of course being a SUP, it's really easy to get up on if you were to jump in the water. Yeah, way stable with the outriggers on it set at 6 feet almost. I think it's a little over, not under 6 feet. Still, you got a lot of extra flotation in the back, so if you're a heavy guy and you got a lot of fishing gear, you could fish off of that with little trouble, and you could get back on it. Just put your arms on the front part and it'll bow down into the water and you shimmy up real easy. And this one, 12-foot 9-inch outriggers from Expandacraft with the kayak and the bimini top and a sail. And the whole thing will break apart in about 10-15 minutes tops, and you can car top it on a small car. You do not need a trailer for this, but it's a real expedition boat. We're going to go this way. No, I'm going to go to that property down here. All right, so expandacraft.com. Check us out.